everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to hide the photos on Instagram without deleting. So, you need to open your Instagram and on the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon of Instagram. Tap on it. This will let you access to your profile page of Instagram, and here you can see the post or the photos that you have uploaded on Instagram. Choose any photo you would like to hide on Instagram without deleting. So this photo I have selected. On this photo, you can see the three dotted line on the upper right corner. Tap on that and you can see the option archive. Tap on it, and once you come back here, you can see that the photo has been hidden on Instagram without deleting. So where that photos are stored is on the upper right corner. You see the three line icon. Tap on that and now tap on archive. Here you can see that the photo has been stored here on the archive. So if you want to unhide this photo on Instagram again, you need to tap on that photo again and tap on the same three dotted line, and now tap on show on profile. Tap on show on profile again, and now that photo has been restored on your profile of Instagram. Once refresh your Instagram page, and now here you can see that it has already been shown on the Instagram. In this way, you can easily hide photos on Instagram without deleting. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.